Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something truly unique and fun to talk about. It's none other than the Forum Novelties Roaring 20's Gangster Girl Garter and Flask costume accessory. Trust me, folks, this is the best garter flask you'll find on the market. Now, picture this, you're at a Roaring 20's themed party, dressed to the nines in your flapper or gangster ensemble. You're looking fabulous, but what's missing? That extra touch of flair and functionality. That's where this accessory comes in. Crafted with a flirty ruffled design, this garter belt not only adds a touch of vintage charm to your outfit but also serves a practical purpose. It features a built-in flask holster and comes with a flask, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite beverage on the go, without compromising your style. And here's the best part. It's designed to fit most teens and adults, so whether you're petite or curvy, this garter flask has got you covered. Plus, it's made from high-quality 100% polyester fabric, ensuring durability and comfort throughout the night. But wait, there's more. The Roaring 20's collection from Forum Novelties offers a range of complementary accessories. From costume jewelry to complete costumes, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the glamour and intrigue of the 1920s era. So, if you're ready to take your costume game to the next level and be the life of the party, then look no further than the Forum Novelties Roaring 20's Gangster Girl Garter and Flask costume accessory. Trust me, you won't regret it. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay stylish and stay fabulous. This is Product Critique, signing off.